Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for living a longer, healthier, and more energetic life, a balanced diet. If you've ever wondered how to eat in a way that fuels your body, supports your health, and keeps you feeling great, then this guide is for you. First, let's understand what a balanced diet really means. A balanced diet is about getting the right proportions of nutrients from different food groups. It's not about strict restrictions, cutting out your favorite foods, or following extreme trends. Instead, it's about eating a variety of foods in the right balance so your body gets the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to function at its best. The foundation of a balanced diet starts with macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates, like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are your body's main source of energy. Proteins, found in foods like lean meats, fish, beans, and nuts, help build and repair tissues. Healthy fats, from sources such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, are essential for brain health and hormone balance. Each one of these plays a unique role, and none should be ignored. Next, we have micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, which are equally important. For example, calcium and vitamin D strengthen your bones, vitamin C boosts your immunity, and iron helps carry oxygen in your blood. The best way to ensure you're getting these micronutrients is by eating a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables every single day. Think of your plate as a rainbow. The more colors you have, the more nutrients you're getting. Hydration is another key factor. Many people forget that water is part of a balanced diet. Staying hydrated helps regulate your body temperature, supports digestion, and keeps your skin healthy. Aim for 78 glasses of water daily, and adjust if you're very active or live in a hot climate. Now let's talk about portion control and mindful eating. Even healthy foods can become harmful if eaten in excess. Learning to listen to your body's hunger cues, eating slowly, and stopping when you're satisfied are habits that support long-term health. Avoid distractions like scrolling your phone or watching TV while eating, because this can lead to overeating without realizing it. Of course, balance also means flexibility. A healthy diet doesn't have to be perfect every single day. It's okay to enjoy a treat or a favorite comfort food once in a while. What matters is consistency over time. If 80–90% of your meals are balanced and nutritious, your body will thrive. Finally, remember that a balanced diet is not one size fits all. Your age, activity level, and health goals all influence what balance looks like for you. The key is finding a sustainable approach that you enjoy and can maintain for the long run. In summary, the power of a balanced diet lies in variety, moderation, and mindfulness. Focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods, stay hydrated, control portions, and allow yourself flexibility. By following these principles, you'll not only improve your physical health but also your energy, focus, and overall quality of life. So, take the first step today. Start by adding more colors to your plate, drinking enough water, and paying attention to your eating habits. Your future self will thank you.